Hi, I'm Jimmy Lick from Drill Riders TV Productions, and today I'm going to teach you how to add sun rays through underwater picture in Photoshop. First thing you want to do is go up to File, go down to Open, and open your underwater photo. Here we have these dolphins, so the first thing I'm going to do is actually duplicate that and take off the background. That way we don't mess up the original photo. Next, I'm going to create a new layer. And we're actually going to start with the brush tool, and we're actually going to paint in white all around where we want the sunlight to come in, and we'll actually use a blend mode of overlay to take out that white. So we'll go up to brush effect, make sure it's white. Opacity of the brush can be up to 100%. We'll go down here, change the blend mode to overlay. We'll just start painting in where we want the sun to kind of peek through. That should be about good. Next step that we want to do is actually create a new layer, and we'll bring in the sun rays now. So Control-Shift-N creates a new layer. And now we can kind of paint in these rays. And a trick that I like to use is starting on the outside of the photo. Click once, hold down Shift, and click again on the other side, and that brings in your ray of light. And we'll just keep doing that. There we go. On that layer, we'll change that to overlay as well. You can see that's kind of bright, so we'll actually take down the opacity to about 50%. Looks about good. And also the original, where the sun comes in, will match that. There, about 70%. Just for a little touch, I'll add a mask to the rays. Make sure it's black on the paintbrush. There it is. Bring the brush size up a little bit using the brackets on the keyboard, and I'm just going to fade out the light at the bottom. Fade around. There, looks pretty good. Last thing you want to do is go to File, Save As, and resave your photo. That's pretty much it. I am Jimmy Lick from Drill Riders TV Productions. Thank you for watching.